Hey guys, so it's Melinda and Alyssa here, and today we are going to be showing you guys how to make your own laundry detergent using Doterra essential oils. So what I have here is I have some that's already made up. We're just going to fill the rest of this container up, but the ingredients that you're going to need is castile soap, and what I do is I just buy a bar of it. I shred it up on a cheese grater on the finest side. Then also you're going to need a baking soda, and you're also going to need washing soda. And then the two oils that you're going to be using is going to be lemon and lavender. So lemon is going to be a great oil to get stains out, and lavender is going to be a great all-natural fabric softener, and it's really good for static. So what I'm going to do is Alyssa's going to show you guys how to make this because it's that easy.
Hey guys! First I'm going to dump this whole box of pure baking soda into here.
And what we normally do is I normally will do a big box of baking soda, but since I'm only going to make half a batch, we're only going to use a small box. And she's going to mix that up because I like to mix mine up so that it's not all clumped together all at once. And then after she gets that mixed up, we're going to add in half a box of the washing soda. And like I said, I normally do a big box of both. But since we're only making half a batch, I'm going to use half the stuff this time. And then she's going to add half the box of the washing soda. That's good. And she's going to mix that up. And after she gets that mixed up, then we're going to add in the castile soap. And this is actually just going to be half a bar, so that's not even a full bar. All right, now that she's got that mixed in, we're going to add, I like to do 20 drops of each oil. So, and that's for a big batch or a small batch, but since this is going to be one big batch, I'm just going to go ahead and add the oils because it's not going to hurt anything. So I like to do 5 on one side and then do 5 on the other. So she's going to do the lemon first, but you can do either one first, it doesn't matter. And then you're going to mix that up. And then she's going to do 5 more drops on each side. So you've got, actually, you're going to have a total of 20 drops in this batch of lemon. And then you'll also have 20 drops. We're going to do the same thing for the lavender.
It's super easy to make. I'm sure if an 8-year-old kid can do it, you can do it too. This is a great way to get your kids start doing their own laundry.
Alright, now she's going to add in the lavender.
And this is also the same thing, 20 drops of lavender.
Alright, now she's going to add the other 10. Guys, this recipe right here is so easy to make. You can custom make it how you want. You can use wild orange if you want to use wild orange. You can use peppermint. You can use On Guard. I just use lemon and lavender because that's the 2 easiest ones. But you can use any of them. This is a great recipe, and this right here is going to make you a ton of loads of laundry. So the only thing you're going to need to do is, I just have a 1/4 measuring cup because that's all you're going to need. So whenever you want to do your laundry, you just scoop out a 1/4, drop it in there, let it get wet, and that's it, guys. That's all you got to do. A smaller load, just use a little bit less. But like I said, it's that easy. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.